Welcome to AFI. Today we'll be going over the dyeing process. Hey, it's Glenda. Today we'll need the fragrance oil, the dye target, a couple of pipettes, clean bottles, one for the customer and one for QC. And of course our dyes. We start by placing a clean bottle onto the scale and zeroing it out. We then fill it up to exactly 0.30 grams with the fragrance. Accuracy is important to ensure it can be converted to whichever quantity is needed. 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 400 pounds, you tell us. The data will be kept with the code. Because the customer has sent a light blue target, we will start by building this color with drops of blue dye. Shake the dyes thoroughly. Make sure to record after each drop to ensure it can be replicated. We then pour it into two separate bottles. One that will go to the customer for their approval and one that will be kept in QC for reference. We make sure the colors match against a white background for clarity. Another example is when a customer requests a color without providing a target or image. This is okay. We try our best to deliver. In this case, teal. We use a little bit of yellow, blue, and some black. We make sure to always shake the dyes. Thanks to our talented staff, we are able to achieve some beautiful hues. Look at this gorgeous color. Good job, Glenda. Uh-oh, a customer has requested the color blue, but Glenda has a fragrance that has a dark yellow tint. Unfortunately, this is nearly impossible to achieve without creating a new formula because it is a primary color. As you can see, adding blue would only make it green. We add some more blue and it turns teal. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, at AFI, we make fragrances for everything. Oh, and make sure you follow us on all social media platforms.